There are two different types of text that you can add to your pages: photo text and page text. To add text to the page, click on the blank area of the page, and then click on the Add Page Text button that pops up at the bottom. You can also add page text using the text panel on the right. Page text can be anchored either from the bottom or the top of the page, and the offset determines how far from the top or the bottom the text sits. You can also change that offset by clicking and dragging over that area. The page text can be good for any custom text that you'd like to add to your page, like a story or a description of the photograph. To add photo text, click on the photo, and then you can click on the Add Photo Text button that pops up below the photo, or click on the option inside of the text panel. Photo text is a little bit different than page text because it's anchored to the photo. You can place photo text below, above, or even over your photo. The best part about the photo text is that you can pull data from the metadata to use as the actual text. I've created a preset called Camera, Lens, and Exposure, which pulls that information from that photo that it's connected to. You can edit or create your own presets by clicking on the drop-down and then selecting Edit. Then use the settings below to choose which data you want to appear alongside your photo. If you'd like to save it as a preset, use the drop-down at the top and select Save Current Settings as a new preset. Also, when you have photos where there's no white space above or below the image, adding a photo text only gives you one option. It only lets you place the text over the photo.